What's going on? Ow, 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 ow. Just give me one moment, guys. Jesus. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Solomon. For those of you that are new to the channel, guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, any comment about the house we're about to see today, please drop it down in the comment section down below, and I'll be glad to answer those questions, guys. How are you guys doing today? I'm sweating right now. Like inside me, I'm like, oh, I'm like dripping, fam. But anyways, guys, let's actually head out to the place we're actually going to be seeing today. Now, this house is actually different. It's going for rent, but it's a basement, so they're only renting out the basement, I guess, and that means the top floor is actually rented out already. So without further ado, without further delay, without further wastage of time, guys, let's actually go and look at this house. Let's go. Okay, guys. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to look at the house.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I know, I know, like that's so disappointing. Like I might think the owner of the house don't want us to like see it or something, but I could like video inside of the house and everything, but I wish I could, but unfortunately I couldn't. But I would try and like describe like the apartment or the house for you guys. So as I've said before, it's like a full bungalow. Now the only thing is the top is actually being rented out, and then the lower level, which is like the basement's also being rented out. Now it's already like renovated, so they renovated like the whole basement. They put like a kitchen, they put a bathroom, and then two bedrooms. Now that basement alone is two bedrooms and one bath. Now unfortunately, that basement has one entry from the outside. Now that entry from the outside, they claimed it to be like a room, which was actually like I was actually like trying to like understand like how that works actually, but like I couldn't understand because we entered from one door from the outside, which was very close to the garage. We entered from there, and I started looking for the second room. I was like, "Where's this second room?" And then the agent had to like check again, and then we now realized that actually the door we came from led to the first room. Then now there was another door in that first room that now led to the whole kitchen and then the next room. So I was like, how do you expect that to work out? Like the person who actually created the basement as an apartment like didn't plan it out well. They just wanted to like force extra two bedrooms, and which was actually that was totally very very wrong, which they were actually not supposed to do. But investment wise, it was smart because obviously he will be renting the top. I think the top was actually like a three bedroom, so he'll be obviously renting the top for like 1,800 a month, and then that basement actually is be rented out for 1,500 a month. Now it includes all your utilities apart from hydro, which is your lights, your gas cooker, your AC, your microwave. So like the energy you're consuming pretty much, so you have to pay for that one also separately yourself, and probably that could sum up to probably like $150 or $100 a month. So totally you'll be paying like, let's say, roughly 1.6, so like 1,600 per month or 1,650. That's if the hydro is $150 per month. But left to me, the place wasn't just like organized out well. It wasn't planned out well, because if I then have visitors, would they have to like come through the first person room to now get to the living room or to the other room? It was like so confused. I was like how does this work? Now there was actually another door that leads to the upstairs. Now so that means if you're passing the front door, right, if you're passing the front door, you can actually go down to the basement. But why would I want to pass like that door upstairs? because they would actually be seeing me. And let's assume I actually go out at night and then I come back late at night, I would have to like disturb them and stuff like that, which obviously totally is very very wrong. So the planning of the house specifically to me was wrong, but I just wish I was able to actually video the place for you guys. Anyway, so for now, I might be ending the vlog here. Like this may be like the shortest vlog ever, like that I've ever done actually. So I might be ending the vlog here. I was thinking of going to swim right now because I think the pools are actually getting open, and I need to learn how to swim. And right now I'm actually at a place. I'm just actually just I'm sitting down. It's pretty much like beside the waterfall. If you guys can see it, right, like I'm trying to zoom in for you guys. Yeah, there. So like that's where it is. And some people are coming right now to like shout inside my video, but just chill. So just for them, like they're actually making noise. They didn't know what the plan was. So, anyways, they just had to come and disturb my like. It feels weird actually vlogging, but it's something you have to get used to. It's something you have to do to like push yourself to become a great YouTuber, I guess. I don't know, but I just want to be comfortable with myself doing such videos. Anyways, guys, I would actually be ending the video here for today. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share if you have any other comments, any other questions. Once again, I'm so sorry that I disappointed you guys that we were not actually able to see the apartments. So I would say this is a house fail, or let's say a house viewing fail. Yeah, I know, and I'm so sorry about that. But anyways, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. As I've said before, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Like, guys, let's get this channel to 100 subscribers. Like, I've been begging you guys for a while. I know we have to like get to like above 100,000. What? Yeah, above 100,000 subscribers. Yes, but for now, above 100. Yes, but at least let's just get to 100 subscribers. I love you guys actually. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any comments, any questions, drop it down in the comment section down below. And I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next video. And as always, guys, stay safe.